and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as you can see in the title, it is going to be about my BoxyCharm. If you guys want to see what I got in this month of December's BoxyCharm, then keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I'm in a new setting. I thought I'd be somewhere different other than my makeup room to film this video. If you like this look that I did, then I don't know if this makeup look's going first or BoxyCharm. It might be BoxyCharm. I don't know. If you like this look, I did film it and I had a slight issue with this eye, but you'll see it in the video. That will be up. I don't know if it's before, like I said, or after this video. But in today's video, we are going to talk about what I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm excited. This box this month is actually quite big. Disclaimer. This is a $20 box, roughly $22 with tax, that I pay every month. So if you want to subscribe to BoxyCharm and get this every month, I will leave my link down below. It's a $20 to $22 monthly box subscription that you get roughly between 5 to 6 full-size products. I like it because it helps me explore the different makeups that I want to use. And it's not just makeup. It helps me with skincare. It could be hair care, anything beauty related. I did open it and I did peek inside, and I do have them on Instagram. So I did slightly see what I got, but I thought I would unbox it and then share it with you guys. When you open up the box, it comes with a card and it tells you what this month's box theme is, like I said before, and it's in Whimsy. And then it comes with all your product. First thing I see that I'm just gonna grab out is this Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Okay. So this is a soothing facial oil for fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, okay. So it has rose water in it. Okay. So let's see how much this cost. This retails for $79. So this product alone can pay for 3 of your boxes. This is a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with precious trio and rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving the skin feeling luminous and glowy. Okay, I'm gonna take it out and see what it looks like. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh, this has like definite rose smell. Ooh, that's strong. But the bottle is super cute. Look at that. I'm excited for that. $79 for that little bit of bottle. Okay, sis. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Ciate Marbled Light. I'm assuming it's a highlighter, maybe? It's illuminating blush. Okay, add a radiant blush of color to your complexion with the Marbled Light Illuminating Blush. Formulated without talc, this lightweight buildable formula has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. This blush itself is $26. So again, this could pay for a box, which is awesome. I love Ciate's packaging. It is just absolutely, oops, sorry, you can see my ring light. It is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I've seen blushes like this before. Like they kind of remind me of the Milani Baked blush and like an e.l.f. blush that I've had before. Here's the color in my hand. And it looks like that. The next thing I see is, in this bag, is, ooh, this is pretty. It's a cosmetic, it's like a storybook. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. It's like a little book, but it's a makeup palette. Okay, so this is a storybook cosmetic, a fairy tale Little Red Riding Hood palette. Ooh. Inspired by the classic tale, the storybook mini palette was created exclusively for BoxyCharm. Awesome. And is as beautiful inside as it is out. We've combined stunning metallics and velvety matte eyeshadows to help you create a happy ever after. It's cute. This retails for $35. Someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again. I love it. Comes with like a cute mirror. And here's the colors. I'm actually really digging these colors. Let me This one and this one's what caught my eye. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm really excited for that. Again, that one product pays for your box. I'm telling you guys, it is so worth it getting BoxyCharm. It really is. Next thing I see is, ooh, what is this? It's a Pro Series brush cleanser and oh my god, I need this. It is a brush cleanser and conditioner. Okay, I've never heard of this brand. It says, prolong the life of your favorite makeup brushes with the Aesthetica Pro Series. I think I said that so wrong. Cleanser and conditioner specially formulated to effectively remove accumulated makeup and dirt from your cherished makeup tools. Hi, nice to meet you. I've needed you my whole life. This retails for $12. Okay, not bad. The last thing I see in this box is the Brow Bar. Okay, it's from Brow Bar. It's a true brow makeup kit. Okay, so I have to say, I hate products like this. I stick to the same brow pencil I use all the time. I don't venture out other than, you know, Wet n Wild or Benefit. And I don't use powder. So getting something that has to do with powder or wax, I'm not too keen with it just because I don't use it. But it gives me the option to test it out and to try new things. I will say I do like the packaging. Super sleek, super gold, super reflective. So this is in the shade dark, which they got right. Thank you for that. This is the Brow Bar Brow Makeup Kit. Style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit. Designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, Brighten Brow Lift, Sculpting Mascara Gel, Angled Brush, and a flat brow brush. This retails for $30. Holy shit. Okay, so what is this right here? Oh my god, can I get this out? How does this get out? Oh, okay. Okay, so it comes like that, which I just dropped it. Came with the brush that I just dropped, like that. And then it comes with the brow gel, I guess, which is cool. And then the different shades for your brows. Okay, I'm loving the gold though, I will say that. I am loving the gold. Okay, so the brush looks like that. You know what? I may just try it. You know what? Never say never. I really like the packaging though. It's really cute. Okay, I'll definitely test this out and see how I like it. Like I said, I normally stick to the same brow pencils, but it doesn't hurt to venture out. It's everything that came in this month's BoxyCharm. Again, if you guys want to subscribe, obviously you can see that's worth it. Let's do a total. Here's the total of the box itself, and then here's the total of what the box came to. Big difference, right? I preach it to all my friends who love makeup. Get BoxyCharm. It is so worth the money. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this different background. Hopefully the light's not too bright. I'm gonna have to work on it a little bit as far as lighting, but I wanted to get out of my makeup room and go somewhere else and do a different setting. If you guys like this background and liked the BoxyCharm video, then give this video a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. And I thank you guys for watching and have a great day.